Hello children and welcome back to English Ambition, and I am Kakuli ma'am, as you all know by now, and I am here to teach you all the chapters and the writing skills of class 11 and 12 in a simple, interesting, but most importantly in a very effective manner. What does it mean? It means that if you go through all the videos of my channel, English will not only seem interesting and simple, but you will definitely get very good marks in your examination. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not yet done so. Please do it and keep watching all my videos, because I'm repeating, because they will be helpful in class 11th as well as class 12 immensely. Okay, and today we are doing a very important topic of our comprehension and the reading comprehension section, that is note making. Okay, and note making I know is a little gray area of children. Children get a little confused कि note making है क्या, इसमें करना क्या है और क्या नहीं करना है, कैसे attempt करना होता है. तो I've seen always children remain a little confused and they don't have that much of confidence. So today I will teach you what is note making, how to attempt it, and definitely how to get very good marks, because it is very important children. This is in class 11th also, in 12th also. और अगर थोड़ा सा इसमें हम लोग कमांड पा ले, समझ में हमको आ जाए कि क्या है और कैसे करना है, this is very scoring. So don't miss these videos. They will be very helpful for you in 11th as well as in class 12. So let's begin. Now, first of all, note making है क्या? What is note making? What are you supposed to do in note making? जैसे कि notes word से हमको समझ में आ रहा है, we have to basically make notes from a passage. ठीक है? So it will be given as a passage. That means 3, 4, 5 ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा paragraphs उसमें होंगे, and we have to make notes out of it. Now this will be question number 2 in our question paper, and it consists of 8 marks. So let's see how those 8 marks are distributed. Okay, as you can see over here, I've already written that note making consists of 8 marks. इसमें हमको क्या करना होता है? Number 1, we have to make notes. How? That I will tell you. And it consists of 5 marks. We also have to make a short summary of 80 words, and that would consist of 3 marks. So 5 और 3 ये 8 हो गया. But notes may be like out of these 5 marks, we have to know how much mark is allotted to what. एक तो we have to find out a suitable title. जो passage हमको दिया रहेगा, it will not have a title. So we have to decide a title. It consists of 1 mark. We also have to make notes, which again I'm telling you, I will teach you how to do. That consists of 2 marks. Next, we have to use some abbreviations. How to make it, what type of abbreviations, that we will see. So abbreviations definitely करना है, because 1 mark allotted to that. And indentation, भैया ये नया term है, indentation है क्या? Don't worry, I will definitely explain what is indentation also. So first you understand that marks का distribution क्या है. Suppose God forbid time कम है, ऐसा नहीं कि छोड़ दे, अगर हम title भी लिखेंगे और वो सही लिखा, you will get 1 mark. थोड़ा बहुत भी हमने नोट्स लिख लिया, आउट ऑफ 2 यू कैन गेट 1 मार्क. ओके, 1-2 एब्रिविएशंस यूज कर लिए, यू कैन गेट हाफ अ मार्क. ओके, सो डोंट miss out on this. This is very scoring. Okay, one thing that children often ask me, मैम अगर मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला और मैं सिर्फ समरी लिख के आ गया तो नंबर मिलेगा क्या? प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, कोई नंबर नहीं मिलेगा. इफ यू ओनली राइट द समरी यू विल गेट अ 0. क्यों? ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि योर समरी शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन योर नोट्स. ये जो हमने नोट्स लिखा उसके ऊपर समरी विल बी बेस्ड, पैसेज के ऊपर नहीं बेस्ड है. सो इफ यू डोंट राइट द नोट्स एंड यू ओनली राइट द समरी, you will be awarded a big 0. So don't ever try to do that. Okay, so now let's see how to do notes or how to write notes, और इसमें भी कुछ do's है, कुछ don'ts है, वो क्या क्या है. Now let's see that. Now I'm sure the thing that is coming to your mind is, ma'am, note making है क्या, इसमें क्या करना होता है, कैसे करना होता है. Now I will tell you exactly what is note making and how should you go about it. Okay, now as I already told you, you will be given a passage which has 5 or 6 paragraphs. Okay, हमको क्या करना है? First of all, we have to understand what that passage is about and find a suitable title. और टाइटल में हम बहुत एक सिंपल टाइटल लेंगे, उसको कॉम्प्लिकेटेड करके या कुछ मेटाफोरिकल बना के या इनर मीनिंग देके we will not take. Simple we will take, like pollution, like swimming or cycling or conversation or art of speaking. इस टाइप के बहुत ही सिंपल टाइप का कुछ टाइटल we will have to understand and pick for our passage. Next, what are we supposed to do? See, एक passage will have plenty of information. So हमको करना क्या है, उसमें से we have to pick the most important information and उसको बहुत systematic way में, in categorical manner, we have to present. Or when do we do it? All of you have done it, believe me. Suppose you are studying some chapters of history or civics or battles, French Revolution, Russian Revolution. उस टाइम पे इतने बड़े बड़े chapters को आप लोग कैसे पढ़ते थे? Isn't it? You used to make some notes कि the causes. What were the causes of French Revolution? ये causes था. What were the events that took place in French Revolution? What were the effects of French Revolution? तो ये जो 20 page का chapter था, that you made notes of that chapter in 1 page or 2 pages or 3 pages. So this is basically note making. You all have done note making in your own way. So a big passage will be given to us. We have to just understand कि इसमें सबसे important information क्या है और उसको हम under different headings and subheadings उसको हम लिख लेंगे. So this is basically note making. Now here are some do's and don'ts. As you can see, I've already written for you on the board that we will discuss, which will further help you or give you a clearer picture कि how to attempt note making and definitely how to score very good marks, because this is very scoring, children. You can easily get 8 out of 8 or minimum is 7 and 7.5 you can get in note making. But some points we have to remember. Let's see what are they. Now the do's, as I've already written over here, pick only the important points. Okay, so we will not take everything that is there. We will only pick the important points और unimportant extra कुछ भी चीज है वो हम include नहीं करेंगे. Number 2, very very important. Marks will be deducted if you don't follow this. We have to write those points in points, in phrases. We will never use complete sentences. Okay, so in don'ts, as you can see, I've already written, don't never ever pick unimportant points. Okay, so this we will never pick. Never use complete sentences because marks will be deducted if you use complete sentences. I'm sure question coming to your mind, फिर मैम कैसे लिखना है, that I will tell you. Okay, just let's go step by step. धीरे धीरे let us understand how to go about it. Next, we will never pick. Unimportant में क्या आता है, ये जो stories है, examples है, data है, statistics है, that is given in the passage. We will not pick those data or statistics or stories that the author has used to enumerate, to give example or to make it more understandable for us. वो हम नहीं pick करेंगे. Okay, I hope this is clear. और क्या क्या हमको याद रखना है? Please ignore the sound. We have a little train sound over here, so I think we can just ignore that sound. Just take it as a background music. Okay, now we have to use certain abbreviations. Abbreviations कैसे लिखना है? Again I will teach you. We will use 5 to 6 abbreviations. Okay, remember last अभी मैं जो बोर्ड में मैंने लिखा था abbreviation has 1 mark, so it is again compulsory. Next, again very important, summary should have 80 words. Now question is coming, मैम हमको क्या काउंट करना है? नहीं, exactly नहीं, जरूरत नहीं है, but हाँ 80 can be 78, 75, 85. हाँ 80 अगर 100 हो गया, then yes, marks will be deducted. So I always say my children that अगर 80 words problem हो रहा है समझने में, so we can take 8 to 10 lines, because generally एक sentence में ऐसे 8-10 वर्ड्स ही आते हैं, so we can take 8 lines, so it will approximately come to 80-85 words. Next, very important again, use of proper indentation. Okay, indentation again, if you remember, I told you it has 1 mark. A question is coming in your mind कि मैम indentation क्या है? मैं अभी समझाती हूँ इंडेंटेशन क्या है. I will do a note on this board so that you will understand how to go about it. Indentation, very important children. Please, I want you to take a screenshot of these do's and don'ts, because they are very important children, because they will define whether you are getting full marks or when marks will be deducted. So you should have a very clear picture. So I tell you to take a screenshot of the don'ts and definitely take a screenshot of the do's also, so that last में एक बार quickly you can go through कि क्या मैम ने बोला था if you forget. Next, indentation as I'm telling you very important, क्योंकि एक number उसमें allotted है. Next is we have to take proper title and heading. We should remember that title or heading should not look like weird, like it should look like title or heading, like as I have given over here, do's and don'ts. ये लग रहा है कि यहाँ थोड़ा सा heading जैसा है. Okay, uses, facilities, advantages, disadvantages, procedure, these are the words that we have to use as our headings. Okay, now how to cook, how to go about it, do not do this. Essay phrases don't look nice, they don't look as headings. Okay, so nice words which look like heading, as I'm repeating, uses, disadvantages, advantages, okay, procedures, do's, don'ts, facilities, features, ये सब words हम लोग understand, like we have to read the passage and understand, and that those will be our headings or our title. Okay, we cannot just choose arbitrarily any phrase and make it a title. Okay, now anything else that I've missed over here? Yes, we will never exceed the word limit of the summary. I'm talking about that 80 words that I told you just now. And never use a question mark in the heading. Just now as I told you, how to cook. No, this cannot be a heading. It can be procedure to cook or process or the steps. So as a question mark लगा के we will never write a heading. Okay, I hope this is clear. And now I will do one passage with you, means a very simple passage which will help you to understand how to write a note or how to go about doing a note making. Now I have chosen a very simple topic with the help of which I will explain what is note making and different things we were discussing, indentation, heading. तो वो क्या होता है? With an example I will show you, and by now, after doing this, I'm sure you will understand exactly what is note making. Now suppose a passage is given to you on different types of pollutions. ठीक है, क्योंकि I have chosen this specially because all of us know about it, we have read about it. तो हमारे पास अभी कोई पैसेज ये नहीं है, that I will do one later just now after doing this. So suppose आपके पास एक ऐसा पैसेज है which deals with pollution. Okay, different types of pollution. So how to make notes of it, this is what now we will do. ठीक है, देखते हैं. First thing we will find out is what will be the title. Again I'm reminding you, choose a very simple easy title. Suppose you just choose the title like disadvantages of pollutions और टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन. पता चले पैसेज में उससे ज्यादा भी है. यू आर ओनली राइटिंग अबाउट डिसएडवांटेजेस एज द टाइटल, बट इट टॉक्स अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑल्सो, कॉजेज ऑल्सो, रेमेडीज ऑल्सो. सो वो फिर गलत हो जाएगा. सो बेस्ट एंड सेफेस्ट इज डिसएडवांटेजेस, एडवांटेजेस, कॉजेज, ऐसे ना करके सिंपल चूज द टाइटल एज पोल्यूशन सो दैट यू आर सेफ. एंड वो जो एक मार्क जो टाइटल में अलॉटेड है वो हमको मिल जाएगा. राइट. नेक्स्ट आई वॉज टॉकिंग ऑफ इंडेंटेशन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्लीज पे अटेंशन टू दिस. सी सपोज ये लाइन यू कैन सी, दिस इज आवर मार्जिन. ओके, आवर मार्जिन इन आवर कॉपीज. वी विल राइट inside this side, to the right side of the margin. कोई भी चीज हम मार्जिन के उस साइड में लिखे तो उसमें it is not meant for evaluation, उसमें नंबर नहीं मिलता. So everything will be inside the margin, this side I mean, to the right of the margin. ठीक है. So first suppose in the passage we see that there are types of pollution. So we will give the heading. This is the title. Now this is the heading. I give types. Or here I write Roman 1. Okay. Now what are the types? If you remember, I told you we will not use complete sentences. So you will never write in sentences that the types of pollution are 3. The first one is air pollution, second one is water pollution, third one is sound pollution. Nahi. See the way I have written. Okay, air, water, sound types. ये हो गया. We will never use complete sentences. ठीक है. Next thing, very important again, I have written Roman 1 over here. The next I have written, देखो, inside. Okay, I will never write 1 under this, या तो that will become wrong. Okay, that will become wrong if I write 1 over here. ठीक है, ये गलत है. We will have to write this inside. ये 2 है तो ये अंदर. देखो, all I am moving inside. I am moving inside. Whenever I am moving to the next numbers, I am moving inside. This and this will be in one line. Now the headings का जो numbers है, इसके नीचे ये होगा, ये और ये same lines में होंगे, but this will not be in the same line. I hope all of you have understood this, because this is very, very important, children. Indentation, if is wrong, you will get like 1 mark will be deducted, or if it is right, you will get 1 mark. ठीक है, ये हमारा indentation हो गया. Next, we can write about air pollution. So again, number 2. Roman 2, we will write air pollution. उसके नीचे अब what are the causes of air pollution? We can write 1, factories emitting gases, unmaintained vehicles, और जो भी points है, I have not gone in detail, क्योंकि मेरा main objective था इसको करने का is to make you understand कि how to make notes, indentation का मतलब क्या है. So there are more causes which we understand, which are not written. Next thing that you try to understand is I am using abbreviation. Factories na likh ke I will write FAC or FACD. Emitting harmful gases, emitting, I have again used an abbreviation क्योंकि these are long words. So abbreviations, now again a reminder, abbreviation वो हमारा WhatsApp और SMS abbreviation नहीं लिखना है कि you को ऐसे you लिख दिया और your को ऐसे लिख दिया. नहीं, this is completely wrong. Please kind of refrain from using these abbreviations. Okay, abbreviations कौन से words का करना है जो सच में it's a long word and you don't want to write such a long word. So we will break it into or write it as a small initial 1-2 syllables लेके हम लोग उसको एक छोटा सा form देंगे जैसे यहाँ पे दिया है. Okay. Number 2, unmaintained vehicle. Unmaintained, again I've used an abbreviation. ठीक है, so ये एक हमारा third abbreviation हो गया. उसके बाद हमारा सोल्यूशन, सपोज एयर पोल्यूशन वी आर राइटिंग अबाउट, सो कॉजेज वी हैव रिटन, नेक्स्ट इज सोल्यूशन. जस्ट सी इसके नीचे ये आ गया, सो वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस. सी दिस 2 इज बिलो 1 ओवर हियर, ठीक है, एंड इसके नीचे नीचे ये है, तो दिस इज आवर इंडेंटेशन, मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म इंडेंटेशन. ओके, सोल्यूशन हो गया. इसके बाद हम वाटर के बारे में सेम वे में लिख सकते हैं, मतलब वाटर पोल्यूशन के बारे में, साउंड पोल्यूशन के बारे में सेम वे में लिख सकते हैं. आज मेरे घर में थोड़ा सा साउंड पोल्यूशन है, इधर उधर से आवाज आ रही है, सो आई होप यू इग्नोर दैट एंड फोकस ऑन द वीडियो. इट वॉज एक्चुअली बियॉन्ड माई कंट्रोल. ओके, सो this is it. So after completing your notes, okay, the next thing that you will do is make an abbreviation key. Abbreviation key क्या है? Whatever abbreviations we have used, उसका full form we have to write. Again, I'm reminding you, 1 mark is allotted to these abbreviations. So ये important है, हम इसको नहीं छोड़ सकते. How will we do? Very simple. Here we are writing factories, whatever we have used, I mean FACT. I have used FACT here, उसका full form. Emitting, short form जो भी मैंने यूज किया वो लिखना है, फिर उसका full form लिखना है. Solution, और जो भी अब बाद में और कुछ तो यूज करना ही है, क्योंकि 5-6 abbreviations you will use. Board will ask for 4 abbreviations, at least 4. We will write 5-6 we can do. Don't go beyond that. 10-20 abbreviations, please don't use. Use appropriate, suitable abbreviations. Okay? Next thing that we have to do is making a summary of this. Very, very important, children. This, whatever I'm telling you in this video is very important. एक चीज count करेगा. So listen very carefully. Don't go fast or skip something. Don't do that. You will miss in lot of things. Now next thing we have to do summary. अब summary, जैसे मैंने I've already told you, it will be of 80 words, that is 8 to 10 lines. How to make summary? Summary we will make from the notes. We will not make summary from the passage. We will make summary from the notes. How will we do? The types of pollution. Just जो भी हमने लिखा है उसको हम words sentence में string कर देंगे. Okay. Suppose the types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution and sound pollution or noise pollution जो भी हम लोग बोल रहे हैं. Now the causes of air pollution are factories emitting harmful gases, the carbon monoxide or whatever harmful gases emitted by unmaintained vehicles, जो भी हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है, और जो भी 2 points हमने लिखा है वो. Solution to air pollution or the steps that should be taken to stop air pollution are, जो भी हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है ये. उसके बाद suppose आपने water pollution के बारे में लिखा है तो we will write about that. The causes of water pollution are so and so and so and so and so, and the solutions or the remedies or the steps that should be taken are these. ऐसे करके we will write of sound pollution also. So ये हमारा summary हो गया complete. So again I'm reminding you, summary should not go beyond 8 to 10 lines to the max. Okay, this is our note making. Look at the headings that I have used. Headings are looking like headings. Types, air pollution, causes, solution. ओके, जो भी है पैसेज में, एडवांटेजेस तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता पोल्यूशन के, तो ऑब्वियसली डिसएडवांटेजेस. सो इफ इट देयर वी विल मेक लाइक दिस. वन मोर रिमाइंडर, अगर ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कंट्रीज का कोई डेटा दिया हुआ है कि इंडिया में 1990 में इतना पोल्यूशन था, अभी इतना हो गया है, यूएसए में ऐसा है, चाइना ने ऐसा किया है, विल वी यूज दैट इन आवर नोट्स? Until and unless पूरा पैसेज ही उसके बारे में है, we will not use them. We will not use them. Try to avoid using data, stories, examples and statistics given in the passage that the author can give, but we in our notes will try to avoid them as far as possible. Okay, so this is one example that I have done now. Now one more I will do with you. If you can pause the video now. Yes, I'm asking you to pause my video here. There is a passage which I have given in the description box. Okay, short passage, because until and unless I give you a practice, you will not understand how to approach. So pause my video, give 2 to 3 minutes to that passage that is there, and then I am doing that same passage with you. Acha, how to do it? Listen to me very carefully. एक बार आप पढ़ेंगे उसको first time, okay? अब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि what the passage is talking about. आपको passage का title समझ में आ जाएगा. Number 2, when you are reading for the second time, आपको ये नोट डाउन करना. लाइक आपको तो क्वेश्चन पेपर में मिलेगा, अभी तो यू आर लुकिंग इन द स्क्रीन, ठीक है, बट व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग इन द पेपर, इन द सेकेंड रीडिंग यू आर सपोज टू अंडरलाइन द इम्पॉर्टेंट points, okay, like all these which you can take in the paragraph. So ab ek baar do baar reading dijiye, it will hardly take you 2 to 3 minutes because it is a very very short passage that I have picked up. So you pause my video, read it, and then you do I will teach you how to make notes or summary or abbreviation from that passage. Okay. Okay, I hope by now all of you have read that small passage that I have given you, and now as you can see on the screen, the note making of that entire passage has been done, and as you go through the screen, I will quickly explain how and why we have done it in this manner. Now, first of all, the topic of this passage was art of conversation. Okay, so I've given the heading as art of conversation. The first point that comes to my mind was in Roman 1, choice of subject. If you see, the author has spoken about the choice of subject in the first and the second paragraphs. Okay, so I have taken 1 or 2 points only from the first and second paragraph and summed up in 2 points. Okay, choice of subject. I have given as the first heading. Number 1, subject should be of interest to the self and the listener. Okay, subject should be of interest to self and listener. Subject I have used abbreviation as you can see, and listener also I have used abbreviation. Number 2, I have given avoid, और उसके नीचे फिर से मैंने सब हेडिंग दिया है talking about self and unpleasant subject as death and sickness. As you can again see, I've used abbreviation in unpleasant also, and avoid के बाद क्योंकि 2 चीजें avoid करना है, इसीलिए 1 and 2. Don't try to write in 1 complete sentence क्योंकि वो बहुत long हो जाएगा, and again marks will be deducted. Okay, now I'm coming to Roman 2. Some processes have been told by the author. So ways to converse is number 1, be witty and quick. Number 2, don't hurt others or don't hurt sentiments of others. Also we can write, or don't hurt others. Okay, avoid mannerism. अब यहाँ पे अगर हम देखेंगे, they have explained, means the author has explained the meaning of mannerism. What do you mean by mannerism? कि बहुत ज्यादा हाथ पैर हिला रहा है कोई, या बार बार कोई particular एक expression दे रहा है, या putting the tongue out of the mouth, or rolling the eyes too much, using hands too much. Okay, too much sahi nahi lagta. So whatever, so but we are not giving that in our notes. Okay, so we are just writing avoid mannerism. Uske jo examples author ne diya hai, that we will not use in our notes. Next, we will make the abbreviation key the way the 4-5 abbreviations or 3-4 abbreviations, whatever we have used, we will make the abbreviation key. Okay, and then you can see the summary, how I have done the summary. You can go through the summary. I'm not reading it out now because it is very much on the screen. It's a very short summary. As I'm concluding the video, you can read the summary also. So I hope you have understood note making. It is crystal clear to you. Yes, a little long video, but I thought at least when I'm doing it, I should do it in a way that it is really helpful to you, and you should be able to attempt note making in a proper manner and definitely get very good marks, or rather full marks in your examination. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, give your views or your comments. It really helps me or guides me rather for my future videos. And thank you and happy learning.